My family and I went to the Maltby Produce Market, and they have a farm behind it, and we got to see a bunch of cool animals, and here they are. Look, it's a peacock. Hey, peacock. You're pretty, peacock. Hello, peacock. Peacock. Alright, there's a peacock grooming itself. Don't mess with the fence. Hello, peacock. How are you today? You are looking quite lovely. Yeah? What's up? How you doing? You're a cute thing. Yes, there's a chicken behind you. What's up? How's it hanging? Hello. Spread your wings. Do something.
He's like,
No. No, I'm good. Hello, rooster. How are you today? Bok, bok. Bok, 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 bok. 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 That's what I thought. Alright, we have a chicken trying to make a jailbreak. Alright, come on. Freedom to freedom. Come on, you can do it, bud. Oh, yeah, keep going. Come on, dig for freedom. For freedom. Freedom. Look at the sheep. Look at the baby sheep.
wow.
The other one's trying to nibble on the other one. You guys are cute.
That sheep looks so dirty.
Oh, there's a sheep butthole. Look! Hello, you beautiful peacock. Hello. Like this. That's so cool. Hello, beautiful. Your wings are so beautiful. Your feathers are so beautiful. Yes.